Did 20 years in law enforcement, man. If they're looking for me, they're looking for me.
Here's all the new panels that came in. Now we got the trunk all cut out. We're gonna start piecing it back in together. (1964) Buick. Is it a certain kind of Buick?
Skylark.
Skylark. I seen it just as you said. John over there vacuuming out the trunk.
Add that piece.
Yep.
I think.
So we got some.
If I'm thinking right.
No, you are. We got some patching we got to do there. We're gonna have to add metal here and metal here because it's too eaten away on both of them. But we did have an idea, or he had an idea, John, to pick it up right here, and then maybe we can get a weld there. But I mean, the whole trunk was rusted out, guys. So that's what we're doing, putting in that new.
We just tack this one in now, you think?
I got some clamps, yeah.
No, we have to put the brace clamp into it.
Okay, yeah. Let's do that brace first. And I think that is awesome. I'm so happy start installing it.
Just have it a little bit.
I think it looks good, John. What do you think? I think it's going to work out. I think it's going to work out. Yeah, I think it'll work out really well compared to what we had.
Right?
Yeah. Now we're putting on our cross members, our supports. We'll have one here, and then we got one that'll go across right here. Like that, right? But we needed to reinforce and rebuild the fender wells to attach our next plate. And now we got our build up here for our fenders, and now we got our cross members coming in. These will slide behind those then, probably, huh? Had to do some patchwork there. Tacked it up.
It's gonna make a difference because we're gonna have to tack it to the panel.
Yeah, and I will too. Put them two side panels on and tack it to them side panels, and then put that middle one in and just get it flat. I mean, hold on, get that on that first, right? No?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, I'll get it. And not post the weld to the frame there, but we decided to weld them to the frame there to give these a little more integrity. Okay, it looks like there'll be enough clearance there. It looks like it's spinning. Maybe the thread is stripped, huh?
Maybe.
Now I got that panel all welded in. We got this panel all welded in. It's a task because I tried to clean the material as best as I could, but I'm still welding through rust. So those are what my welds are looking like. I'm not ashamed to admit it. It is what it is. Got your foot all sewed back up.
Right.
So
Did you cut it?
Well, I had this gnarly gangly cyst on the top of my foot, and they told me, dude, you got to remove this, or in a couple years we're going to be taking this foot off because this isn't going to work out.
My buddy here, Anthony,